Hey everybody, what's going on? I just wanted to make a quick unboxing video of this new wireless mic I got for my camera, and I'll be using this in future YouTube videos that I make. So let's dive right into it. So this is the DJI Mic Mini. As you can see, it comes with two mics, I believe, and a receiver, and it looks kind of like an AirPod case, which I think is cool. So it says small, ultralight, discreet, high quality audio with stable transmission, 48-hour operation with case, direct connection for premium sound quality, 2-level active noise canceling, and automatic limiting to prevent audio clipping. So in the box, it comes with the receiver, transmitter, charging case, carrying pouch, 2 clip magnets, a mobile phone adapter, 4 windscreens, camera audio cable, USB-C charging cable, and the documents. So you get quite a lot, to be honest, for $150. So I've seen good reviews about this. I probably won't make a review video or anything, but I just wanted to make the unboxing video for any of you that might be interested. So we have just some documents in there. I won't get into the boring stuff. Like I said, trying to keep this video as short as possible. So you can use this with your phone. I don't plan on using it with my phone. I plan on using it with this camera that I'm filming on. So here we have a nice DJI carrying pouch. It's like almost feels like a neoprene type material. Has a zipper at the top. Here we have the windscreens, it looks like. And then we have some cables that go with it. And here is the main device. Let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Cool, so it's a little bigger than I expected, but still not too big. It is... Here's the size of my hand, so it's about the size of my palm. You press this button to unlock. So it has a clip here, and that unlocks it. Looks like you have maybe some battery level lights right here. And then as we can see, we have one mic here, and it has the clip on. And also the magnet is attached to it, so whichever way you prefer, clip on or using the magnet. And then here is the other one. I wish I could give you guys a closer look, but my camera, this lens does not focus in that close. So let me pull this up. This is what it looks like. Has some type of blinking light here and a couple buttons, a power button, and it looks like a pairing button, maybe. Once again, this is just an unboxing. I don't have too much information about this. I just wanted to show you guys the contents and what everything looks like. This looks like it might be the receiver, if I'm not mistaken. And this is what that looks like. Has a power button on the side there, has a dial right here that has clicking, and then I think this is 2 indicator lights. It says 1 and 2, so for each microphone, and then this has a clip on it as well. And then in the back, we also have what looks to be a piece that goes onto here. Let's see if I'm right about that. So yeah, this slides onto here, and then you can plug this into your camera. And so this is the receiver here. So very cool. For $150, I have a feeling this is going to be a great deal. Once again, just got this for the YouTube video so I can have some better sound quality. And here on the back, by the way, you can charge the case as well. So really excited to use this. I'll put a clip in this video just so you can see the audio difference. I'm sitting behind the camera right now, so I'll plug in the mic and then just give you guys a quick audio difference of what it sounds like when I have the microphone on. All right, so after a bit of configuration and setup, I was able to get the microphone paired. It's connected to the top of my camera right now and plugged into the side. And so this is the quality of the audio from the microphone. And I'll be recording, like I said, my future YouTube videos with this as well. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Peace.